Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this is the first real tutorial in this course. Uh, in this course I'm going to teach you how to use Python. So let's get started. So first off, what is Python? Well, Python is a programming language. Some would call it a scripting language, but it is a programming language, and it's used in a lot of places. So well, you can use it in for backend, so with like server stuff. Um, it's also used in automation scripting, as I said in the previous video. Python can be used for automation scripts. So, perfect example of this is well, just checking your email, and when you get new email, it will automatically categorize it. Or another one would be to write a script which monitors your download folder, and based on the extension of the file you've downloaded, it will move it to the corresponding folder. Another area where Python is heavily used is in statistics. A lot of universities use, and companies also, they use Python for statistics and to run their numbers. Python is also the language of machine learning and AI. Python is used by big companies like Google, YouTube, Disney, and NASA for a variety of purposes. But let's get back to us. How do we start? Well, we start with installing it. With some OSs, Python is pre-installed with like Ubuntu and I think Mac too, but definitely not on Windows. So if you're on Windows, you will have to install it yourself, and I will show you that in a minute. You also need a text editor. You could use Notepad or something like that. Nobody finds that really great to work with. So what I'm going to use is VS Code. It's free, it's open source, and I find it working pretty well. So anyways, I'll show you how to do this. So first we need to install Python, and it's quite easy. You just go to their site, python.org, and there you see the downloads. You just click on it, and it says download Python 3.8.1. It's important that you download Python 3.x. It doesn't really matter what version, although you would want to install the latest version. So when you've done that, you can go ahead and install VS Code, Visual Studio Code. It's available at this link, and I will put it in the description too. You just click this button, and it has versions for the other OSs too, and you can just install it. One important thing to note though is the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Python has two main versions running right now. It's Python version 2 and Python version 3. 3 is the newer version in which a lot of things are solved and done in a better way. So I'd opt to go with Python 3, and that's why this tutorial is focused on Python 3. Well, you might find some things you can use in Python 2. I will not use Python 2 throughout this tutorial. So please just install Python 3. It will make your life a lot easier to follow along with these tutorials. So that wraps it up for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we're actually going to write our first code. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.